Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking! Today I want to show you how to make Gyu-don. Gyu-don. The Gyu-don is a simmered beef over the rice. And Gyu-don is one of the powerful food for Japanese people. When I need energy, I make this dish. What I like this dish is it's very simple. Please buy the good quality beef. Hopefully it's Wagyu, Japanese beef. But you can choose your own beef. So all you need is beef, sugar, soy sauce, sake, mirin, and also onion. And as for toppings, I recommend to put like 7 herbs. We say shichimi, togarashi, or a mitsuba, and also a ginger. That's my recommendation. So that's how the gyudon is look like. By the way, gyudon, gyu means beef in Japanese, and don, it's abbreviation of donburi. Donburi is the dish over the rice. We call them donburi. So there is a gyudon or tendon means tempura donburi, or let's say katsudon, cutlet donburi, and oyakodon. Oyakodon is chicken over the rice. Please enjoy donburi recipe today. So are you ready to cook? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Okay, so gyudon is done. So let's try tasting. Usually at the restaurant, you serve like this. So please open the lid. Ta-da! Looks so tasty. And I chose mitsuba leaf on top today. では、いただきます。So much meat. So beef and onion simmered for a long time, around 20 to 25 minutes. So it's very tender. Once you put in your mouth, those beef and onion quickly melts. I feel I got the energy a lot. My family likes this dish too, so I make a lot. And the rice is seasoned with the juice of beef and onion, and also other ingredients. So it's so savory. When you get bored, you can eat mitsuba leaf on top to change the flavor. Or let me add shichimi togarashi, 7 herbs. So this is shichimi, 7 herbs. This is a mixture of chili powder, sansho pepper, black sesame, and other peppers and seeds. It's very spicy. Japanese food usually not spicy, but you can enjoy spicy if you add those seasonings. Hot. If you like spicy food, I recommend. I like both flavor. And after eating, I put like this. So how was the gyudon recipe today? To make this dish, it's very simple and easy and yummy. So I recommend to make this dish on weekdays and also weekends. So please try it out. I'll try to introduce more donburi recipe soon, so stay tuned. So thank you for watching everyone. See you next time. Bye.